It's gonna be a totally different type of video than I typically do, and I've been struggling, and I just wanted to share with you guys what's going on in my life. I'm very open with you. As you guys know, I've been here on the internet sharing my story and sharing everything for 6 years now, and I feel like you guys are family. So I feel like we're just sitting, chilling in my living room, having some coffee or on FaceTime and just chilling. So I just wanted to do a totally unscripted video of just raw, what's going on in my life and kind of where I've been struggling and what my plan is to kind of overcome that. And so just want to hang out. So I've been struggling with some severe burnout. I typically am so big on, going against the hustle culture or hustling for a season and then getting out of it. And I feel like I've been going so strong ever since I quit my job back in June. I think it was June or July that I quit my job. And I've noticed that it's been a lot different pressure than I'm used to, because with my 9-to-5 job working in corporate America, it was very much, okay, we're going to put in these hours and I'm going to work my butt off for those hours. Then it's that guaranteed paycheck. And now that I'm 100% self-employed, it's not necessarily that guaranteed paycheck. And yes, I have a lot of passive income, and yes, I'm bringing in, passive income. But if I'm not out there hustling, doing the work, I'm not getting paid. And I'm not scaling up as fast as I thought I was going to. I am, making amazing income and able to help support my family. And, my husband and I are still hitting our huge financial goals and doing awesome financially. But I think I had the mindset that when I was going to quit, I was going to 10K my business in 3 months. Not really that fast, but I think I kind of had the expectation that I would be able to put so much more of my mind to my business and everything, and not, factoring in having Peyton and raising Peyton, and with my husband traveling so much, it's just me. And I think that, there's so much of being a mom that ties into it, and just my brain can only, do so much. And even if I have help from family or help from friends, that my brain still, so much of it goes into mom mode that sometimes what's left for business isn't that much. And I feel like I need, with my job as a content creator and, creating these different things for you, it's so creative. And I found that with my 9-to-5 job, it was hard work, but I knew it, and I knew it good. And it was just a matter of doing the job. And yes, I had to use my brain, but it was a different aspect of my brain. It wasn't a creative part of my brain. And I'm a creative person, but it doesn't come as natural as it does for other people. And more of a math brain type of person. So the creative side kind of struggles sometimes. So I've really been struggling with that. I did my first webinar, my first masterclass, and a couple weeks ago, and it was amazing. It was so much fun, but it was a whole lot of work. It was a lot more work than I thought it was going to be. And I didn't take a single day off in all of October. And so working, every single day, it really was hard for me to have my brain shut off. And I found that actually just this weekend, I took a couple days off and just didn't work at all. And it was a struggle at first, which was surprising to me. But then when I came back on Monday, I had so many creative ideas, and I really was intentional about letting my brain turn off so that I was able to have that creative aspect come back. And I really saw huge benefits from it. So I'm excited to continue doing that. So yes, I did hustle a lot, but I saw so much come out of that time as well. And like I said, I had my first masterclass, and I'm actually doing a free 31-day challenge for you guys in January. So you can sign up now, get on the wait list for it, or sign up and register, and then you'll get weekly emails for it. So I'll have it linked for you down below, but it's going to be a free 31-day challenge in January to start an online business. So if you don't have an online business, if you want to start one, this is going to be for you. You're going to get daily emails, videos, challenges and prizes and contests, different things like that. So I'm so excited for it. I've been working really hard behind the scenes, coming up with the ideas and different things, and it's been so much fun to have. So definitely check it out for below. With this, I have a huge goal that in 2023, I want to help 500 people start online businesses. I've really noticed a shift in my mindset from pinching every penny to cutting, and helping you guys cut to helping you guys raise your income and increase your income so that you can hit your goal so much faster, so that you can really get out of that scarcity mindset and work into the mindset of, okay, we're going to build income and build wealth. And so I have a goal to help 500 people this year do that. And I'm so excited. It's a big goal, but I really want to start really helping you guys do that as well. So that's been a huge mindset shift for me. And it's been really cool to see the people that I've already started to help starting their own business and the success that they're seeing. It's been so amazing to get the emails and do Zoom calls with them. And it's just been so encouraging. And I love seeing the progress. I get more excited for their success than I do for my own. But that's been huge. Another huge thing that has been going on is my mom, and really missing her in this season. If you guys don't know my story, my mom passed away from cancer when I was 16, when I was a junior in high school, and she had cancer. She got it when I was in 6th grade, and then she had cancer all the way up through 11th grade. And so it was hard seeing her, sick for all those years. And then when she passed away, of, going through life and graduating high school and moving to Florida for college and different things. And it was a struggle, not having your mom, but I've actually feel like it's harder now that I'm 33 than it was when I was 16 losing her. Because I feel like now I'm at the point where I'm trying to hold back tears, but so I don't want to be crying with you, but this is real life FaceTime. Typically I'm crying on FaceTime when I'm having real tough, real life conversations with my friends. And I really I feel like this stage in life, I would be friends with her. Like, it's more of I feel like when you shift into adulthood, it goes from being a parent to more friends. And she would still parent and stuff, but it's more of that friend relationship when you get into your 30s. And I don't have that. And, I really wonder what our relationship would be like. And to see her as a grandma, to see her, she used to run a daycare out of our home. So she's the one that taught me everything I know about kids. And so to see her love for kids and to see Peyton and to see her as a grandma, I can't even put into words what that would mean to me to see that. And so it's been really hard of not having her. And, I have other people that I call, and I have my aunt that I call, and who's her sister who never had kids. So she kind of took us under her wing and stuff. So I talked to her and we had that friendship. I have my mother-in-law. I have other women that are really important to me in my life, but it's not your mom. And so that's been a really, really big struggle lately. And I think it's hit me a lot more in the past 8 months since Peyton's been born. It was really hard when I was pregnant as well, of not being able to call her for, hey, what's this going on? What's this pain and different things, and going through birth and all that stuff of not having her. But now that I'm a mom myself, of not having her has just been so hard. And I think I've bottled that up for a lot of, and this is the first time I'm talking about it, honestly. I haven't even talked to Jamie about it, just because I know that all of this would happen. But I just want to be real with you guys and share. And it's been a struggle. It's been really, really hard not having her here. And, I know that she's with me or anything like that. And when people say that, oh, she's with you, honestly, that doesn't make me feel any better. I know it comes from a good heart, and it makes me feel good that they're trying to comfort me, but it doesn't make me feel any better. So yeah, just keep that in mind next time when you tell people that. Honestly, it doesn't really help. But I am so thankful for the women that I do have in my life that do pour into me, the friendships that I have, the women that are older than me, the second moms and stuff. So I am so thankful for them. But yeah, it's been a struggle. All right, switching gears, what I'm doing to help all of this. So the first thing that I've been doing is a lot of brain dumping and journaling, and going back to like what's going on in my head with my mom and everything, just getting those feelings out. And then also with my business and the ideas that I have and different things like that. Like I feel like, sorry, Payne's waking up from her nap. She's talking to herself and singing. I feel like my brain, I just get all these ideas and all this stuff, and our brains are not meant for storing. They're meant for creating. So when your brain is telling you store this, don't forget, don't forget, don't forget, it's not able to be creative. So I'm really trying to be intentional about getting those ideas out on paper, brain dumping, so that I can go and be creative and have different things. So brain dumping, journaling, getting my emotions out, getting my thoughts out, getting my ideas out has really helped. And I did a whole blog post on brain dumping that I'll have linked below, the benefits of it and the science behind it. But it's amazing. And it's really been a huge difference for me. And it's really made, like I said, a huge difference for for everything that I've been going through. And creatively, I've noticed a huge difference that when I let go of it, because I've gotten it on paper, so I don't have to be like, don't forget, don't forget, don't forget, don't forget, then my brain is able to think freely. And I'll be washing the dishes and I'll have to stop and write something down, be like, oh, this would be a great idea for this, or oh, I should do this. And it's really cool to see that when your brain's clear throughout the day, you can just think freely. It's amazing. It's cool. Next thing I'm doing is reaching out to friends, reaching out of building that community. I feel like when 2020 hit, we were all stuck at home and it was very isolating and it was really hard to build community. And I noticed that we lost friendships, and not that we had a falling out, but we just drifted apart because we weren't seeing each other. We weren't being intentional with friendships, and it goes both ways. But I want to start being more intentional with my friendships and me making the effort in them of reaching out and just saying, hey, how's it going? What's going on with your life? Or, hey, do you want to come over and hang out? Or let's go for a walk together, or different things like that. I also bought a box of cards on Amazon turns out they're like 27 cents each, which is amazing and better than the Dollar Tree, which I'm typically a Dollar Tree for cards and stuff, but trying to make it a goal to write one card a week to someone. Just a little note of encouragement of just saying, hey, I hope you have a great week. And so just being more intentional with my friendships. I feel like when we are in this burnout mode, I don't think I'm quite at the depressed. I feel like there's a difference between depressed and burnout. I don't think I'm at depressed, but when you're in these modes, that it's easy to isolate. It's easy to draw in. And so I know that it's not best for me. So I want to be intentional at reaching out to friendships, encouraging them. And, when we are down or when we are struggling, I feel like one of the best ways for me personally to feel better is to go and serve, to go and help, and to go and lift someone else up. Like, it makes me feel 10 times better after when I'm able to go and help someone. So that's been huge. And then also, like I said, just being intentional about growing my business and helping you guys. That, like I said, when I'm helping, whether it's a friend lift her up or whether it's whatever it may be, that I feel so good. So helping you guys grow your business, helping you guys reach your financial goals, helping you guys. I really am going to be taking a little bit of a shift in my content of really helping with this season. It's a scary season with the recession. It's a scary season with inflation and what's going on right now in the world and the country and the economy and everything. So I'm really want to get back to the root of helping with these, these things and these topics. And so I have some really cool different ideas for you guys. But my challenge, my entrepreneurship challenge, I really think that it's going to help a lot of you really just help to get your creative ideas, or saying, okay, I want to do something online, but I don't know what, of helping you to dig down to the root and dig down and figure out what that's going to be. So I'm really excited for it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So definitely sign up with the link below. But like I said, it's been a interesting season, but I definitely feel like I'm getting to the other side of it. And, but I need to be intentional with that, because it's so easy to go back into that burnout. It's so easy to go back into that struggle. So we're gonna really, I guess, just try and work hard of getting through. But how are you guys doing? Let me know down below in the comments. I want to hear from you. What's going on in your life? How can I be praying for you? Let me know. I really am here for you guys. My DMs are always open. I answer all my DMs personally. And so send me a message on Instagram or comment below. I do all my comments myself as well. So I want to hear from you guys. But how you doing? Let me know down below in the comments. And for those of you that stayed to the end, get a little painting content because she just woke up from her nap and she wants to say hi. You say hi? You say hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Yeah. You say I got a tooth, I'm crawling, I'm singing, I'm dancing. We're just having a good old time, huh? Subscribe. Share with a friend. Comment below. Comment below. Subscribe. Ooh, ooh. Yeah. Subscribe. Bye. We'll see you later.